It sounds the hiccups.
Let's see, turn a little bit. Hi, Antonio. Look at the camera, boo boo. Antonio.
He's like, what?
Me with my tea, big butt.
Hey.
Say hello to Tisha. Say hello to Ma or Grandma. Old lady. We'll teach you to say old lady.
Hi, old lady Granny. I don't love you no more, Granny, because you never come to see me.
I know.
No.
Oh, so
Hi,
dramatic.
Tisha.
Say, what is your name, baby?
What is your name, baby? My name is Prince Charles.
Uh-oh, somebody may just got a hiccups anyway. Here. Go ahead, turn off the air conditioner.
Feels like it.
Like it sure does. Pick up that nose. I see that nose.
Antonio, look at the camera.
Hey, Lisa. If you don't have to work, and if Larry has to work, you want to come with me to go see Andy for the 4th of July? Who's it?
Hello, it's John.
Oh.
What?
It's 3.
I'm at my grandma's. Are you off? Awesome. Well, let me know, because remember we at least have to get at least one tire.
At least one tire. Little boo-boos.
No, we can't afford all 4.
They're expensive.
For 2 tires, it costed Amanda and Larry $188.
But it's, well, you have about the same ones, I do.
I thought it was for 4. But we can do 2 at a time.
We got it at Discount Tire.
Alright, well that means we can't stay. We have to drop Max off, and that's that, okay? Did you hear me? We have to drop him off, and then... I'm just trying to get it, because you never listen to me. You don't get an attitude for my car that I need, unless you want to stop and drive me everywhere I need to go.
Boo-boos.
No, I said you're going to drive me everywhere.
Lisa, I don't want to get you guys arguing on camera, okay?
Bye. I'm making a video. Bye. Alright, baby. Is that Stinky John? He's not your Theo.
Not until you're married.
Nope. Squishy diaper.
Right, boo-boos. He's giving you the finger. He's giving the camera the finger, cochino.
Was that
Thank
really
you. Yes. You bad boy.
He's like,
You already picking up bad habits.
Bone. Da-na-na-na-na. Bad to the bone.
Lisa, don't make him shake his butt.
Shake what your mama gave ya.
Shake
that
the money
maker.
Shaking your money maker, baby.
Give her the finger again.
No, I'm gonna spank you, baby.
He's like,
Okay.
I'm on the highway to hell. I'm just kidding, baby. Antonio.
It's gonna keep going. Okay, now what we're gonna do?
How you doing?
Now make it through the dance. Dirt berries and cream berries.
Berries and cream.
Scoot back over there. Be careful here.
Come here. You're gonna be a star. What is it, Linda?
Why is it blurry?
Why do you have the hiccups, baby? Because my mama doesn't love me. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Ooh.
You didn't do it. The berries and the green.
I don't know. You have to sing it. If you sing it.
I don't know how it goes. Just make him do the Macarena.
How do you do the Macarena?
He's rolling. Buffet! Buffet! Give up. Hurt his back. There we go. Lisa, I can see your buffet. The baby buffet. Then, okay, that's